Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Mr. Fizri. Okay, so this is our first lesson for this year. Ini kelas kita yang pertama, uh, Five Mutara and me. Okay, so I hope you can focus. Boleh fokus dan kalau tak faham boleh ulang video ni banyak kali sampai faham. Okay, so I want you to open your Supermind. Okay, page 4. Muka surat 4. Okay, muka surat 4. Okay, so boleh tengok buku masing-masing dan dengar apa yang saya ajar. You read your books and you listen to what I'm teaching you. Okay, so this unit is starter unit. Starter unit ni permulaan lah. Unit permulaan. Okay. The title is free time. Okay, free time. Free times maksudnya masa lapang. Okay, masa lapang. Masa yang kita tak buat apa-apa tu, itu nama dia free time. I can talk about my hobbies and interests. Saya boleh bercakap tentang hobi dan interest dan minat saya. Okay, so look at these pictures. There are 15 pictures. Ada 15 gambar kat sini. These are the activities that you can do during your free time. Okay, so look at the answers. These are the answers, the activities. Okay, number 1, video games. Video games takkan tak tahu. Bermain video game. Music, music is music. Art, art maksudnya seni. Reading, reading is membaca. Watching TV, menonton TV. Films, films tu wayang. Animals, animals is haiwan. Cooking, cooking is memasak. Skateboarding, skateboarding meluncur, papan luncur. Cycling, cycling is mengayuh basikal. Photography, photography mengambil gambar. Sport, sport is sukan. Shopping, shopping is membeli belah. Chatting online, chatting is berbual online, berbual secara online. Contohnya macam menggunakan WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram. Bila kita berbual dengan orang lain, itu nama dia chatting online. Meeting friends, meeting friends is berjumpa kawan-kawan. Alright, so kat sini dah ada pictures, dah ada gambar kan? So, very easy. In your E1 book, di dalam buku E1, okay, mula-mula macam biasalah. I want you to write the day. Tuliskan day, hari apa. So, today is Monday. Okay, Monday. And then, di sebelah kanan, date, berapa hari bulan. 1st February 2020. And then, di bawahnya awak boleh buat petak macam ni, no problem. You can draw like this, table. Okay, kalau tak nak buat petak-petak pun, boleh tulis macam biasa. Yang penting kena skip one line. You have to skip one line. Selang satu baris dan jaga tulisan. Jangan tulis comot-comot. Please write neatly, secara kemas. Okay, for example, number 1. So, number 1, what is this? Ada gambar laptop. Laptop ni mestilah berkaitan online kan? Games ke? Okay. Tapi tak macam games. Dia ada bubble macam ni. Ada macam dialog punya percakapan. So, maksudnya dia bercakap secara online. Agak-agak yang mana? Okay. Boleh agak lah kot. Yang mana kan? So, number 1 is chatting online. Okay. So, number 1 I give you the answer lah. So, number 2 is easy. Number 3, boleh tengok kan. Very easy. Senang je. Very easy. Mula-mula ni kita belajar senang-senang je. Okay. And then, number 2. Activity number 2. Okay, this is like Okay, read and complete the text with the words in the box. Then read, listen and check your answer. Okay, baca dan lengkapkan teks dengan perkataan di dalam box. Box ni lah. Bukan box ni, box ni. Okay, jawapan dia dah dekat sini. Okay, then read, listen and check your answers. Okay, lepas tu, isikan dalam ni, dalam dialog ni. Lepas tu, baca semula. Baca semula. Okay, this one. Okay, fotografi. Samalah dengan atas. Fotografi, skateboarding, boarding. Skateboarding. Cooking, sport, reading, music, video games, chatting. Okay. Okay, so I will read this for you. Saya akan bacakan. Hi, I'm Kate. I'm 12 and I'm from Oxford in the UK. I'm into sport and I'm good at basketball. Apart from sports, I like, saya suka apa? And online. Apa yang dia suka? I'm not interested in shopping. Saya tidak berminat shopping. This is my brother Jack. Jack isn't into sport. Dia kata ini abang saya, Jack. Jack tidak minat sport. So rasanya yang ni lah abang dia kot. He's into, dia minat apa? And his favorites are football games. Okay. Jack isn't on his computer 24 hours a day. Okay, Jack dia tak buka komputer 24 jam lah. He and his friends like, dia dan kawan-kawan suka buat apa? But they aren't very good. Tapi mereka ni taklah pandai sangat. Buat apa? I don't know. Our parents, Jen and Ed, like books and they are into, okay, parents adalah ibu bapa. Ibu bapa saya, Jen dan Ed, ni nama mak ayah dia lah, suka buku dan mereka minat apa? My mom is interested in, ibu saya berminat dengan apa? And her photos are really good. Gambar-gambar yang mak dia ambil ni sangat cantik. So kat sini apa aktiviti dia kakak? Our mom and dad are good at, ibu dan ayah saya sangat bagus buat apa? Italian food is their favorite. Makanan Itali adalah makanan kegemarannya. Okay. And you and your family? Awak dan family awak macam mana? What are your hobbies and interests? Apakah hobi awak dan minat awak? Okay, so for today, you have to copy this in your E1 book. Kena salin dalam buku E1 and kena isikan. Okay, so we will discuss the answer next week. Okay, kita bincang jawapan ni minggu depan. But I hope you can finish this by today. Siapkan hari ini. Siapkan dan nanti update lah di dalam WhatsApp. Siapa yang dah siap. Okay, so any questions you can ask me. Tak faham boleh tanya. You can ask your father and mother. You can open your dictionary. Buka kamus. Tak ada masalah. Tapi sila buat. Please do your work. Siapa tak buat, dia takkan faham. Dia takkan ingat apa yang kita belajar ni. So yang ruginya, diri awak lah rugi. Saya tak rugi. So nanti awak akan ketinggalan. So kalau tak nak ketinggalan, kalau nak bijak, you have to do all my homework. If you don't understand, please ask me questions. Okay, kalau tak faham boleh tanya saya, tak ada masalah. Kalau saya lambat reply tu, sila tunggulah. Maybe saya ada hal lain. Okay, so that's all for today. If you don't understand, you can watch this video many times. Boleh tengok video ni banyak kali. Tak ada masalah. Okay, so thank you.